we forget how exceptional we are in that regard. No other country in the world has followed suit in that regard. No one has had that bold step of saying that government can't control. And as a result, no other country has had the freedom we've had. No other country was able to build a great and just society by limited government. Why? Because government isn't the allocator of rights and privileges. Government is the defender of those rights. That we are not subjects of the crown, but that government serves the people. And as a result of that historic, revolutionary idea, America changed the world. The time of American life expectancy in the world was 35 to 40 years of age. We were an agrarian society, as we had been for 2,000 years or more. In 200 years, life expectancy in the world doubled. Here in America, it's approaching 80. Agrarian society? We've been through industrial revolutions, technology revolutions. Who knows what revolution we're going through right now? The dynamism of America, the standard of living, the quality of life is all because we had a government that allowed you to pursue your dreams and not micromanage every aspect of your business and your life.
That's right.
President Obama believes that day is now over.
Yep.
That we've reached a point where things are just too complex. And, very importantly, that things aren't fair.
Yep.
There's income distribution. That there are too many wealthy people and there aren't enough people who are participating and profiting as much. And as a result of that, he has to come in and reallocate those resources. You know, Margaret Thatcher said the problem with socialism is pretty soon you run out of other people's money. The idea, like they just tried in Britain, of going out and taxing the rich. Well, they just tried that in Britain last year. And guess what? They taxed the rich. And guess what? The rich moved. And they didn't make anywhere near the money they thought they'd make on that tax. And they're now in even a bigger deficit problem. And their economy is slowed as a result. Why? Because rich people don't have to work. If you're rich and they're taxing you so much, why work? This is the thing that people don't understand. Well, yeah, you understand. But folks in Washington, this president doesn't get it. What we need to do is encourage people to create jobs, to build things, to make things happen here in America. Well, that's what we do with our economic plan. The Wall Street Journal called our economic plan supply-side economics for the working man. Someone who took free market and conservative economics, simplified things, and created an opportunity for us to build in two particular areas of our economy that will do a lot to allow that income redistribution to be effective. The important point is not how much people make, it's whether people can rise.
That's right.
Whether there's opportunity, right? And the key to that is to create a tax code, create a regulatory environment, a litigation environment that will encourage people to come back to this country, to make things here, to produce things here, to mine and to drill and to do the things that lower energy costs and let the standard of living increase in America. That's the heart of the plan that we put together. The first thing we do is take the tax code, which is a monstrosity.
Yes, it is.
Eliminate, get rid of that tax code. Take the two rates, 10 and 28%, 5 simple deductions. Children, charities, pensions, health care, and housing. Beyond that, the code goes away. I want a simpler code because it will encourage people to spend less time figuring out the tax implications of everything they do and more time focused on how they can build their business and get new customers and hire more people. That's what businesses should be focused on. They shouldn't be focused on tax policy. I have another reason. Unlike everybody else in this campaign, the president and the other Republicans, I actually do my own taxes. Right? So we need a simpler tax code for individuals, and for corporations we make it even simpler. We take the 35% tax, which will be the highest tax in the world on April 1. We cut that 35% rate in half, and on top of it, we make it a simple net profit tax. No loopholes, no deductions, no bet. It's simply a net profits tax. Yeah. Expensing all trade, all equipment, all expenditures. Simple math. Yeah. What's that mean? The small businesses will pay the same as big businesses. Level playing field for every business in America, which is the best thing we can do to create growth.